Hey everyone! Looking for the best personal blender to make smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks faster and easier? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 best personal blenders in 2026 that are perfect for fitness fans, busy home cooks, and tech lovers. From powerful Ninja blenders to portable smoothie makers, these picks deliver convenience, speed, and amazing blending performance every day. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product smart kitchen reviews. Product number 1. Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja Personal Blender. The Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja Personal Blender is one of the most powerful personal blenders available for smoothie lovers and fitness enthusiasts. With its impressive 1200-watt motor, this blender crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients in seconds, making it perfect for protein shakes, smoothie bowls, and healthy drinks. I really like how the total crushing technology delivers smooth and consistent blending performance every time. This blender also comes with multiple cup sizes, which makes it ideal for busy mornings and meal prep. The included to-go cups are convenient for taking smoothies to the gym, office, or school. Another standout feature is the Auto IQ technology that provides intelligent blending programs for effortless operation. If you want a high-performance personal blender with strong power, durability, and versatility, the Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja is definitely one of the best choices you can buy right now. Product number 2. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. The NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender combines sleek modern design with impressive blending performance, making it a fantastic option for everyday smoothie lovers. Its powerful motor easily blends fruits, vegetables, ice, and protein powder into silky smooth drinks within seconds. I especially like the quieter blending operation compared to many traditional blenders, making it more convenient for early mornings or late-night smoothies. One of the biggest highlights is its smart blending technology that automatically adjusts speed for better consistency. The compact design also saves counter space, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, and small kitchens. Cleanup is incredibly simple because the blending cups and lids are dishwasher safe. Whether you're making post-workout protein shakes, healthy breakfast smoothies, or frozen fruit drinks, the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender offers excellent convenience and performance. For people who want style, power, and simplicity in one package, this blender is definitely worth checking out. Product number 3. Kaio Smoothie Blender 900-watt Personal Blender. The Kaio Smoothie Blender 900-watt Personal Blender is an excellent budget-friendly option that still delivers powerful blending results. Equipped with a 900-watt motor and sharp stainless steel blades, this blender can easily crush ice, frozen berries, nuts, and vegetables for smooth and creamy drinks. I really appreciate how fast it works, especially for making protein shakes and healthy smoothies before workouts or busy mornings. This personal blender includes portable travel bottles with leak-proof lids, making it very convenient for people who are always on the go. The one-touch operation is simple and beginner-friendly, so you can blend your favorite drinks in seconds without complicated controls. Another great feature is its compact design that fits nicely into small kitchen spaces. If you're searching for an affordable personal blender with strong performance, portability, and easy cleaning, the Kaio Smoothie Blender is definitely one of the best value choices available today. Product number 4. Geniza Personal Blender for Smoothies. The Geniza Personal Blender for Smoothies is designed for people who want quick, healthy drinks with minimal effort. This blender features a strong motor and durable stainless steel blades that easily blend fruits, vegetables, protein powder, and ice into smooth beverages. I like how it provides reliable performance while maintaining a compact and lightweight design that fits perfectly in modern kitchens. One of the standout features is the multiple portable blending cups included in the package, allowing you to prepare drinks for different family members or meal prep several smoothies at once. The operation is very straightforward, making it ideal for beginners and busy users. Cleanup is also easy because the detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Whether you're preparing morning smoothies, post-workout shakes, or frozen fruit drinks, the Geniza Personal Blender offers convenience and efficiency at a reasonable price. For fitness fans and home cooks, this blender delivers excellent everyday performance. Product number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a simple, compact, and reliable blender for daily smoothies and shakes. Powered by a strong 700-watt motor, this blender easily handles frozen fruit, ice, and tough ingredients while maintaining smooth blending performance. I really like its compact design because it doesn't take up much counter space and works perfectly in smaller kitchens or apartments. The included single-serve cups are extremely convenient for making drinks on the go, especially for gym sessions, work commutes, or quick breakfasts. Ninja's Pulse technology helps deliver smooth textures while keeping operations simple and user-friendly. Cleanup is fast since the cups and lids are dishwasher safe. If you want an affordable and dependable personal blender for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is definitely one of the best compact options currently available for busy lifestyles. Product number 6. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is one of the best portable blenders for people who want smoothies and protein shakes anytime, anywhere. Unlike traditional countertop blenders, this cordless blender features a rechargeable battery, making it perfect for travel, office use, gym sessions, and outdoor activities. I really love how lightweight and portable it feels, without sacrificing blending performance. Despite its compact size, the Ninja Blast Portable Blender handles fruits, protein powder, and ice surprisingly well for quick smoothies and healthy drinks. The easy carry handle and leak-resistant lid add extra convenience for active lifestyles. Charging is simple with USB-C compatibility, making it modern and travel-friendly. Cleanup is also quick thanks to its easy rinse design. If you're searching for a convenient, portable blender that combines flexibility, style, and reliable blending power, the Ninja Blast Portable Blender is an excellent option for busy fitness fans and smoothie lovers. Thanks for watching my top 6 best personal blenders review video. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect smoothie blender for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top product reviews. Also, check the links in the description for prices and more details.